snowing in Bennington, Vermont. Looks like we've probably got about, I don't know, 2 to 3 inches on the ground right about now. You were looking at East Main Street, Route 9, going through downtown Bennington, and it is snowing pretty hard. A lot of snow is expected for this mid-November storm. Just a few days before Thanksgiving, we're expecting in Bennington at least 6 to 10 inches out of this thing before all is said and done. Over my way in Brattleboro, shouldn't be more than a few snow flurries, but mostly rain as far as I know last I checked. Alright, see you guys later.